Hello everyone, a very warm good morning to all of you by the team of SNM Foundation. Today we are going to start a new topic which is MS Word. So first of all, let us know how to start MS Word. So we will discuss three types by which you can start MS Word. So starting with the first option, you have to click on start and then scroll down. Here you can see that here is Word. You can simply click on it and your Microsoft Word will be open. So this was the first step how you can open your Word. Now second thing and second option to start is you have to click on search bar. Click on it. Now you have to write Word. Simply you can write Word. It will be there. You can click it or enter it. Your MS Word will be started. And third step to open it is by using run command. In previous video also we have discussed about run command. So we'll bring run command by shortcut use. The shortcut key for bringing run command is Windows plus R. So here's your run command. Now what you have to write in it, here you can see WinWord. You have to write in it and you have to click OK. Your Word application will be open. So this was the three steps to open this MS Word. Now what its use is, simply you can make any documents or greeting cards or anything by this only in the document file. If you want to make any document, then only you can use this, or anything related to text or any images. So don't think that you can do anything, means you can paint or anything also. You have seen the previous video in which we have discussed about Notepad. In that we can only write text, and again in WordPad we have seen that by writing text we can also insert some pictures or photos. In this you will get a lot of options to make your document more attractive, or you can make your greeting card more attractive. Here it is a lot of tabs. For example, file, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, help. These are the tabs. We'll discuss each tab in each section of the video so that it will not be a load on your brain. This can make you simply hard to understand. So we'll start with today with a file tab. In file tab you can see that there is first option home. You can choose here template also if you want, or you can open the recent items. Now second is new. In MS Paint or Notepad, in all the sections we have read about new in file tab. Same use is in this also. You can create a new blank page by using this. You can also select the templates. Open, you can open any saved document and you can read on it. Info, you can know the information regarding the document which you are making at that time. You can see that where we started MS Word in 1134. We have only created one pages. We have not written anything, so there is 0 words. Total editing time is 2 minutes. So all the things related to it you can get here. You can also protect your document by using privacy also. Save and save as is same. You can save your document and save as. You can save your document which have been already saved with a different destination and different name. History, you can know about your history of if you have saved anything. Print, you can simply print your text document by using a printer, as we have not written anything, so this is a blank page. You can also change the settings and properties. Share, you can share your document with anybody using email or blog, anything. Export, you can export your video file in PDF, or you can also change file tab. And last is close. You can close your MS Word by clicking on it. There's also three options. Account, you can check your account from here, all the information of your account. And feedback, if you want to send the feedback about this MS Word, you can simply write here. And options, you can change many things by using it. For example, you can customize your ribbon or proofing anything. It is also an advanced option you can change here. So this was all the things which consist in a file tab. Again, we will come with a new video in which we will discuss about home tab. Till that video about file tab, and if you get any doubts, then please review respond in our comment section box, so that we'll try our best to remove all the doubts. Hope you like this video. We'll again come with a next video. Till that, be happy, stay home and stay safe. And please like our video, comment it, subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So thank you.